Hello everyone, today we're diving into the fast-growing world of the Internet of Things, or IoT, and some of the latest developments shaking up this space. And here's a big one to start with. According to 𝗬𝗵𝗶 Consulting, the global IoT market is projected to hit a whopping $2,412 billion by 2030, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 23.8%. It's not just growth, it's a technological revolution in motion. Now let's talk about one of the latest breakthroughs in IoT connectivity. The Wi-Fi Alliance has just launched Wi-Fi for Matter, a brand new certification program. What does this mean? Simply put, it ensures that Wi-Fi devices meet the standards of the Connectivity Standards Alliance, making them Matter certified. Think of it like this. Wi-Fi for Matter is a passport that allows smart devices to speak the same language, no matter the brand. This certification focuses on access points and supports key features like Wi-Fi Certified 6, which means faster speeds, lower latency, and improved reliability. Together, Wi-Fi Certified and Matter certification create a smart home ecosystem that's interoperable, seamless, and rock-solid reliable. Consumers get more confidence in their devices, and manufacturers get a faster track to market. Pretty exciting, right? Your smart lights, security cams, and speakers might soon play a whole lot nicer together. On the other side of the globe, there's big news from India's IoT manufacturing sector. Optimus Electronics has teamed up with OnePlus under its Project Starlight initiative. Through this partnership, premium IoT devices, like true wireless stereo earbuds and wireless neckbands, are now being manufactured locally in India. The very first product off the line? The OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z3, known for its low latency and strong audio performance. This isn't just about gadgets, it's about strategy. By localizing production down to the bill of material level, OnePlus aims to cut costs, build a more resilient supply chain, and deliver made-in-India IoT devices directly to Indian consumers. And here's the market reaction. Optimus Infracom's shares jumped 13.27% on the Bombay Stock Exchange, reaching 695 rupees and 50 paise. Investors clearly see potential in this collaboration. That's a major boost not only for OnePlus, but for India's position as a rising hub for smart device manufacturing. Before we wrap up, I just want to say a big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Your support and engagement keep us motivated to bring you the latest insights from the world of technology and innovation. We truly appreciate having you as part of our growing community. So whether it's global IoT market growth hitting over $2.4 trillion, Wi-Fi for Matter, bringing devices closer together, or OnePlus manufacturing IoT products in India, one thing's clear. IoT is no longer the future, it's happening right now. What do you think? Are you excited about a more connected and interoperable world? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget, like this video, share it with your network, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights into the latest tech markets and innovations.